May tipid tips when you're booking a hotel abroad. Pag-usapan natin yan. Tipid tip number 1, guys. Always make sure that you check your booking and you have to canvas. Okay, no joke to ha. This is today, nag-book ako. Same dates to ha. 4,999 siya sa Agoda. Pak, 4,999 na yan ha. But alam niyo naman ng Agoda, wala pang taxes. So pag ni-next mo yan, magiging 6,049.38 yan. Mahal. Now, same room, same everything. In Klook, 5,906.7. And kahit i-next mo yan sa Klook, the same ang price niya. Kaya yes guys, mas mura sa Klook versus Agoda. I've tried it multiple times. Here's my promo code, just use it if ever you want to. But again, canvas first. Discount codes are so important. You have to always use your discount codes. Ang dami kong ginamit na discount code. Tapi tip number 2 is pag malapit na yung booking mo, especially this happens sa booking.com mo, kung malapit na yung trip, di ba malapit na yung stay mo, you can cancel that trip and then rebook. Kasi paminsan, nagmumura siya pag hindi fully book ang resort. Dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo, I have